If you're trying to change your design background but can't find the right option, don't worry, I've got you. In today's video, I'll show you exactly how to change the background color in Canva so you can update your design in just a few clicks. First of all, open up Google Chrome or whatever browser you're currently using. Then go to Canva. Open up that design you want to change background. Now this is plain white background. Tap on it. Then press on this color wheel here and a new side window will appear like this. Tap on See All. Choose any default color you want as background. Go back and same works for gradients colors. If you want to add your own color to the background, then go back. Press here. From here, add any color you want, but the problem appears when you want to add your custom colors in Canva. That's also simple, like you want to use exact blue color used in Facebook. So simply we'll open a new tab. Search for Facebook blue color code. Copy that code from here, paste in this section, and blue color will be added. Through this, you can search for any specific color code and add in Canva. That's it for today's video. If this helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching.